Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how to make hawthorn berry tea, and we're going to share some tips and tricks to help you make the best hawthorn berry tea. Hawthorn berry tea is a delicious and refreshing drink that can be super easy to make at home. And you can also combine it with different flavors as well. Now hawthorns in particular, they have a lovely fruity tart taste and flavor. And they're also believed to have a range of health benefits, including reducing anxiety and stress, improving digestion, also helping to reduce blood pressure, and helping with circulation. Here are some tips to help you get started on making the perfect hawthorn berry tea. First of all, I want you to choose the right type of hawthorn berries, because there are different types of hawthorn berries, including the fresh, the dried, and the frozen. The fresh berries are the most flavorful, and they're also best if you can find them, but if you cannot find any fresh hawthorn berries, then you can also use frozen berries, or dried berries will also work. The second tip is to use a tea infuser or a strainer. To make your tea, you'll need to steep the berries in hot water. A tea infuser or strainer will really help to keep the berries contained and make it easy to remove them later on from the water once your tea is ready. The third tip is to simply experiment with the ratio of berries to water. The ratio of berries to water will depend on your personal preference and the strength of the flavor that you desire. So a general rule I like to go with is to use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried berries per 1 cup of water. I usually go with 2 teaspoons of the dried berries to a cup of water because I really like that strong hawthorn berry taste and flavor and color as well. I also like to combine it with other things, but we'll get to that later on. The fourth tip is to sweeten to taste. Hawthorn berries usually have a naturally tangy and slightly sour flavor, so do keep that in mind. If you want to sweeten with a little bit of honey, with sugar, with stevia, I'd start with a small amount and taste as you go to get the perfect balance of sweet and tart. The fifth and last tip is to add other ingredients for extra flavor, because hawthorn berry tea is delicious by itself, but I also prefer to add other ingredients to give it a natural boost of both flavor and nutrients as well. So I'd add a slice of lemon, a sprig of mint for a refreshing twist. I also like to add some either pomegranates or cranberries or hibiscus as well. All three have the same color, and they're also really high and rich in anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Working together with a hawthorn berry is a perfect combination for a lovely traditional tea to have during the winter time. Especially here in Finland, we have a long dark winters, and we really want to encourage as much antioxidants as possible to really enter our body, and also to help in giving us the energy that we need. So I like a combination of hibiscus, pomegranates, cranberries, and hawthorn berry just into a beautiful blend of a tea. So making hawthorn berry tea at home is really simple. It's an enjoyable process, and I've provided 5 tips for you to get started in order to create a delicious and nourishing tea that is perfect any time of the day. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.